Hello, thanks community. My name is Amy. Very nice to meet everyone here. I'm the founder of Sundays. Sunday is a wellness nail care brand. Our goal is to make every single client look good and feel good. So we create this guided meditation with manicure. While getting your manicure done, you can certainly put on the headset and listen to guided meditation at the same time. We also have a line of non-toxic nail care product from our nail kit to our 10-free nail polish, and including our candle. Just try to recreate our whole experience in client's house, in client's apartment. So today I'm very excited to show a step-by-step how to do a salon quality pedicure at home. And before we start it, I would like to share some fun fact about why we should do pedicure at home. So when we are in our period, our feet might feel a little swollen, and soaking your feet in warm water for 10-15 minutes really make a huge difference. You will feel light, you will feel relaxed. That's I always do. And also our nails grow 3 times as faster as the toenail, so a pedicure can last for 3 to 4 weeks. So it's totally worth your time to invest, to take care of yourself. And the last thing I would love to add here is try to find a position that you feel most comfortable when you paint your nails, because you're gonna spend 10-15 minutes to paint your nails, so make sure you feel relaxed and feel comfortable. I'm getting ready to start my pedicure, and here is everything we needed for today. Everything I used today you can find in our Sunday's pedicure kit, including a pair of gloves just in case you just get your manicure done. The color I'm gonna use today is Sunday's number 13. It's this bright coral red. I just thought it's a perfect pedicure color. When you look down on your toes, it makes you feel happy to see this bright red. Move over here, it's our top coat, base coat, and cuticle serum and quick dry oil, also the removal and cotton pad. Over here I made some scrub over here. If your scrub is a little dry, you can certainly put a little cuticle serum, couple drop, and this is a mineral sea salt. So I am going to pour it in the water here. So I have my gloves on to protect my manicure, and let's get it started with the first step, which is removing the polish. You can let the polish soak for a few seconds and goes downwards like this. Then it doesn't stain your skin. Make sure to use the cotton in a chest can or even a zipper bag. So the next step is soaking your feet for around 5 to 10 minutes, and this is one of my favorite part. Really help the whole body circulation with the warm water, and also it's a great preparation for you to get it started to remove the cuticle or to make your feet become softer. So really just enjoying the process. And then you have to dry it gently. Next step is cutting your nails and deciding which shape you like to do. Most common ones is either square or rounded. If it's square one, you cut it just right on the top. If it's rounded, you can start it from the corner and from this side to the other side. And today I'm gonna get the square shape, so I started cutting like this. The next step is firing. Firing help smooth out the edge, so you put your file underneath your toenails in 45 degrees, and then you just file it from side to side. And to smooth out, you can do it one direction. You're gonna do the same thing for this. Move to the next step, which is cuticle serum number 1. So our cuticle serum has myrrh oil. So myrrh oil is antibacterial, so it's perfect for pedicure. And then the design is a dropper, so when you drop it, it doesn't touch your skin, so it doesn't contaminate your bottle. So you can do it from the top of your nails, like that. Then you let it soak and let the cuticle oil really work its function. So here are two options for taking care of the cuticle. You can either use the wooden stick, which is a more gentle way to push back the cuticle, or you can also use a cuticle eraser if you haven't done pedicure for a while. So this is a more effective way of taking care of the cuticle. And I am going to use the wooden stick today. So the cuticle serum really helps the cuticle area become softer, and then when I push back, it's just like so much easier to do. And then for someone like myself has like super sensitive skin, I want something very gentle. So this is perfect. And next step, scrub your feet. My feet look so much better already. Then we're gonna apply some lotion. You can use the penny scrub to gently scrape in the area that you have colors on, like this area for me. I'm gonna clean the side again using the Q-tips. So I am going to apply base coat, which I'm gonna use B01. So the removal has some alcohol on it, so it sometimes make your nail become a little dry. This is the hydration base coat. So what base coat does, it helps nail polish stay longer. It also helps moisturizing your nails after using a removal. You swift, take out one side and lift on this side. And you're gonna apply it from here. So we're gonna continue applying the first coat of number 13. And you take off the polish, you swing back and forth, take off additional ones, leave it one side. Start it from the middle. And don't worry about if the first coat is not even, because the second coat we can cover it. And we're gonna apply the second coat. Now I'm gonna wait for the second coat of nail polish to dry for 2-3 minutes. And I'm gonna apply top coat. I'm gonna use the T01. After applying top coat for around a minute or two, and we can put a drop what it does is really cut the drying time into half. Like we normally take around 20 minutes or 25 minutes to dry it, so it might take 15 minutes. Thank you so much for watching today, and thanks for having me today. I really have a great time making this video, and if you guys have any further questions, please DM us at Sundays_studio, or please follow us in our Instagram too. We would love to keep in touch with you and hear from you. Also, I just received this Chicky yesterday, and then I'm super excited to try it on. Thank you again, and see you soon.